guys, this is what I have that I'm working with here. It's just a total disaster. Yeah, it is 9:54. I'm gonna start at 10 o'clock and we are gonna see what the time is when I'm finished. Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new, just stopping in, my name is Shannon and I'm glad to have you here. I hope that everybody's doing fantastic today. And I hope nobody is suffering from all of the pollen that is covering everything. I know that it really does bother me. I have to take allergy pills and allergy spray and all that stuff. So I'll be glad when it's over. Well, as y'all can see, this room is quite a mess. My 30-year-old son lives with us, and he just likes, I guess, to make a mess. So we got to get this cleaned up. I did charge him, of course, to come in here and clean his mess up because he's younger than me, and it's only one of him back here, so he should be able to keep it up pretty good, but he just chooses not to, I guess. But anyway, fun fact about this room, it used to be my nail space where I did press-on nails and acrylic nails, and then I started doing candles, and I mean, yeah, then he moved back and I tried to switch everything from this room to the middle room, and then I just got discouraged with the whole nail thing and just lost all interest in it. And yeah, so we are just going to get this room, this hot mess. I mean, this is really mess. This is like the train wreck. But we are going to get it back on track. And I hope that y'all can find some kind of motivation out of this. And with that being said, I'm going to pop on some music and I'll be popping back in.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart. And it's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
All right, so I started actually cleaning on this room about 12 o'clock. It was right after lunchtime, and I worked from 12 o'clock. Now, I didn't do it non-stop, but it was from 12 o'clock to, it was right around 5:30, 5 o'clock, something like that. Anyways, y'all will see all the trash I got out of here. It was so much trash that was taken out of this room. He's just really got to do better. But I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I am excited. We have finally started our landscaping in the front, and I am so excited to show y'all that. Oh, it's going to look so good. It's going to look just amazing to me. And yeah, so with that being said, as this video is coming to an end, I hope that y'all all have a fantastic week ahead. And as always, stay blessed. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Alright, so I got these boxes. And a whole trash bag of trash out of that room.